Hello everyone, welcome back to Area Blog once again. So in this video we are going to learn about loop control in Python. So why we are going to use loop control? So sometime when using loop we may not want to run the full loop. We might want to stop it early, skip a step, or just leave a placeholder. So in Python we do this using break, continue, and pass. So let's create a file first, that is a control.py. control.py. So what we'll do, we'll see the first one is the break. So a break statement is used to completely exit the loop even if the condition is still true. It means if you are printing the value from 1 to 100 and you have written a condition that if this value whenever the 51 comes in the loop, you completely exit the loop, right? So let's write a program and we'll see how it works. For I in range, that is 1 to 100, right? And then we are going to check condition if I equals to 50, then we are going to use break, and we are going to print I. So what we'll do, it will start printing the value from 1 to 100, right? And it will go till the 50 and it will check if I equals to 50, it will break the entire loop, right? So let's run it and see what it will print. So it will do control, see, it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 till 49 because we are checking I equals to 50. Now it's print the entire loop, right? And when it matches the 50, it breaks the loop. Now we'll comment it and we'll see the next one, that is continue. So continue is a bit different from the for loop. So what it does, it basically skip the current iteration and move to the next one. Current iteration into and move to the next one means we'll just copy it and we'll paste it, and we'll reduce the number because it's too much to print. So what we'll do, we'll just remove it and we'll check, we'll reduce till the 10 and we'll check the condition 5. And what we'll do, we are going to use continue, right? So what it does, whenever the 5 comes, it will skip the 5 and it will start printing all other value. So let's run it and see if does that print, right? So see, we have run it and we'll see 1 2 3 4 and there is a skip with the 5 and 6 7 8 9, right? So continue, skip the exact number when, like, wherever you put the condition. Now let's comment it and move to the next one, that is pass. So that is pass. Now the pass statement is a placeholder. It does nothing and is used when the code is not ready yet, right? So what we'll do, we'll just write an example and we'll see how it works. So for I in range, that is 1 and 6, right? Then indentation, and then if I equals to 3, then we are going to pass. So what it does, it basically does to be implemented later, to be implemented later, right? And what we'll do, we will write else and then print I. Now let's run it and see what it prints. So we'll run this, say it's a 1 2 4 5, right? So the question is when to use them. So break, if you want to exit the entire loop even the condition is true. Continue, if you want a certain value to be skipped from the iteration, you can use use continue. Now pass, it does nothing but a placeholder for future codes, right? So today we learn about loop control statement, that is break, continue, and pass. So this give you more control inside your loop. In the next video, we'll explore range in Python, one of the one of the most used thing in a loop that we are using here, right? So if this found you, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you into the next one. Thank you.